If you've tried everything to get back into Halo Infinite and you still can't play, this might be why. Either you don't know that HWID bans exist and you're just sitting there wondering why every account you make gets nuked the second you log in, or you know exactly what they are and you've downloaded every random spoofer on the internet, tried every so-called bypass method out there, and now your serials are completely destroyed and corrupted and you get detected instantly even when you're running a spoofer. Today, that ends, and I'm going to tell you how to fix it. I want to introduce you to Saturn. Saturn is an HWID spoofer built specifically for Halo Infinite and every other game protected by Easy Anti-Cheat, Vanguard, and BattlEye. And before you compare it to your typical spoofer, the one that costs $20 a month because the developer copy-pasted every public repository on GitHub and asked ChatGPT to stitch it together, let me stop you right there. Did you know that? Because it's true. 90% of spoofers out there are the exact same tool, just rebranded. That's why when one gets detected, everyone gets wiped at the same time and floods the forums crying about it. Saturn is different. It's been in development for months by veteran cheat and spoofer developers, built with an obsessive attention to detail. Completely private code, completely private methods, from every single identifier it changes on your machine to the techniques used to do it. That's exactly what makes Saturn unique, and right now, it's the only spoofer on the market that is completely undetected on Halo Infinite and every game protected by Easy Anti-Cheat, Vanguard, and BattlEye. Now, I can already hear you. Yeah, sure bro, $150 for a spoofer? No thanks. Here's the thing, it's free for 24 hours. Test it yourself. See why it's priced the way it is. I'm confident that once you run it, you'll understand exactly how much work went into it, and you'll see there's genuinely no comparison to anything else on the market. Oh, and those destroyed, corrupted serials I mentioned earlier, Saturn handles those too. Go check it out, test it, and let us know what you think about it.